Good afternoon, Ma'am Leones. Thank you for allowing us to conduct this interview with you.
Ako ug akong mga kagrupo sila si Chin, si Carmina ang director, si Ismael o si Dayas are very honored na nagpapagantay ko sa mga. Then, kani nga interview kay part siya sa mga major requirements sa Chief 16 art appreciation. Then, nami pa nga pangutana sa mga if ever nga daghan na kaayo pero stop.
So, bawal na edit?
Pwede rin.
Pwede na edit?
Oh, cut.
Nga si Ma'am?
Pero basta na yung communication.
Kasi password na eh.
00.
Sana hindi mo.
Okay na to ako to ikat o dili lang anak lang.
Okay na na siya ay pwede mo. Kuan mo siya sa written. Importante screenshot ra po ng video.
Nakakuan lang siya.
Oo. Tas kaning bali ang voice ra pud ang record.
Oo.
Ikaw na sa prelim. Ay sige ako na sa prelim question. So ang first na question kay hi today ma'am.
So far, so good.
Then what's inspired you to become a dancer?
Specifically, one of my inspirations to become a dance performer is one of my friend when I was in high school, because I was amazed on how she performs on stage. So yeah, that's why na encourage ko to become a dance performer.
Then how would you describe your art?
As a dance performer, I would likely to be described my talent as a expressive and adaptive, because I think I excel at interpreting rhythm, music, hip hop choreographies, and other styles, and also I excel on understanding dance choreographies.
Then sa main question,
What is your favorite subject to portray? Next question is, what is your favorite subject to portray and why? Okay, so if I were to choose a subject to portray, I would like it to choose a human emotion, understanding human emotion and storytelling through movements. What do you think is the best thing about being an artist? Okay, so being an artist, I think it is such an honor to perform on stage, because you will be able to express your emotion through movement, through dance, that people who are watching may inspire how you portray on stage, how you express your feelings. So yeah, that's why being able to share your talent on stage is such a honor. What piece or pieces of advice can you give to students who aspire to be like you? What a piece of advice? Okay, so as a student performer, I think one of my advices would be like to manage your time, your studies, and your fortes. Just like me, I am a dance performer, so I need to organize things, like organize my studies, set aside my studies and my forte, the dance.
thank you very much ma'am for your comprehensive and full responses.
We definitely learn so much from you, ma'am. We learned that
Dancing is expressing emotions.
I am also a dancer, ma'am. I'm so inspired with you, Char.
Thank you so
Ako
much.
po, Char.
Mga performer. We've been together and itong kuan PE.
Ay, oo.
Bawat
Kuan. Atong hip hop.
Yeah,
Yes.
so,
Kinagod.
Din sa concert.